This is my audience. If you ever woke up with pain in your neck or your back that hurts so bad that you just can't get up in the morning, what if I could tell you that there are licensed doctors out there that can help? You probably want to learn a little bit more, right? We're in luck because today I'll be talking about the history on chiropractic practice, how it works, and the benefits, how it can help you make sure you don't feel as old as I do. Chiropractic medicine is also known as spinal manipulation, and it actually began in the late 1800s. It was founded by a doctor named Daniel David Palmer. An article written by Brent Leninger states that he did the first practice on a janitor who was deaf for 17 years prior to having something give in his back. After these adjustments were made, the janitor actually claimed to get most of his hearing back. Dr. Palmer never claimed to be the first for spinal treatment to help cure disease, but he did take the spotlight for using specific leverage in certain areas to help cure people. From the first spinal adjustment, Dr. Palmer actually funded his school called Palmer's School of Cure, today known as Palmer's College of Chiropractic in Iowa. Following Palmer's adjustment, many people were intrigued by how he helped this guy and the new study of the healing. So in 1913, the state started passing laws for licensing chiropractors, and shortly after, 39 states had given chiropractors legal recognition. Over the years, chiropractors never ceased to stop educating people with their practice and inform them on how it works. There was an article written by the ACA stating that today there's over 70,000 licensed chiropractors in all 50 states, the District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico. They also state that chiropractic practice is a well-known healthcare profession. Chiropractic medicine is the practice of hands-on adjustments to correct and align the spine or the musculoskeletal system to enable the body to relieve pain and prevent surgery. An article written by Arizona Pain states that adjustments can be made to restore mobility and correcting joints that are blocked by tissue caused from a traumatic event such as a car accident, falling off your bike, or even just having poor posture. The practice is also used to relieve pain for joints, muscles, and connective tissue. The treatment could take one or more adjustments to force and correct the alignment between two vertebrae, thus restoring blood flow to certain areas that are affected, like your muscles or the spine. The practice is thought to be less invasive than surgery, and it's the safest way for spinal adjustment. Some of the benefits of the chiropractic can be quite compelling. Receiving chiropractic adjustment is the most naturalistic way to healing the body without having to take all these pain medications that doctors and all these other people are just trying to shove down your throat. An article written by Dr. Josh Axe, a clinical trial was performed showing that chiropractic practice led to 72% success rate for treating patients with sciatica symptoms. And also in 2003, there was a study among 183 people, all with the same neck and pain symptoms or injuries, and they were treated with either manual therapy, physiotherapy, or they're going to a general practitioner. And when the results came back, everything was in favor of the manual therapy because they had a faster recovery rate than those with the general practitioner or the physiotherapy. And it was only a third of the cost. Let me share a personal experience with you. About 3 years ago, my wife was in a really bad car accident. Thankfully, nothing was broken, but she did suffer from severe pain in her lower back and her neck. We were given the option to perform surgery or do extensive therapy for about a year. We weighed out our options, and because she was young at the time, we decided to go with the chiropractor because it was going to be less invasive. So she did therapy for about 9 months, and she started to gain a lot of her mobility back. So this is an example from before. You can tell her neck is really stiff, but after she was actually gained full mobility to actually move her neck around. Thanks to the chiropractor, we did not have to go through like the invasive surgery to improve her neck or back, because they said that later on down the road it could really hurt. So in conclusion, chiropractic medicine is a good alternative for helping people that have gone through traumatic accidents, struggle with neck or back pain, or have any neuromusculoskeletal complaints. And it's been proven for years with a wide range of symptoms and conditions. So I hope you learned a little something today about the history of chiropractic practice, how it works, and how it can benefit you.